How to add your friends in Militia Doodle. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna need your ID if you do want to add your friends. So if this video does end up helping you, it's just super simple and easy. Make sure you do like and subscribe. So to find your ID, what you have to do is you're gonna have to click on your name all the way to the left right here. Then once you do that, as you guys can see, your ID is right here. Should be under your avatar, it should say ID and it should be right here. Then once you find your ID, just click on go back right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on this friends icon right here, all the way to the right. Then once you click on that, you have this option right here where it said add friends. Now from here, you're gonna have to put in your friend's ID. Then once you put in their ID, you're gonna have to click on search and click on add, and you're gonna be able to add them as a friend. They could also do the same thing. They could also add you as a friend. They just need your ID, so just send them your ID. You could also go back, add them through Facebook, WhatsApp. It does not matter. You could add them through any app. Something you could also do is you could also come back all the way to the right here and click on this create game option. Now from here you could put create game. You could also put team deathmatch. So if you do have a friend, you could invite them and put a free for all. You could play all those games right here. Once you unlock it one by one, you need to be level 3, level 35, level 10, stuff like that. So that's basically how you invite your friends and play with them in Mini Militia. So this video did help you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. If you need any help, make sure you let me know. Thank you for watching.